Hello everyone, this is Sandian for Hanja Bible. Today we are going to look at penetrate, connect, guan, guan. This is the third character of Cheonjiin, sky, earth, and man. The third character, which means man. In the index of the book, we are here, the third character, penetrate, connect, guan. In Korean language, we call it 뚫을권, 이을권. This character all same in shape, Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional, and Chinese simplified. This character means to penetrate or to connect. The pronunciation is guan, guan, just like this, having tone number 3 value. This character is just one stroke and one of the radicals. It came from the dot. We have learned already. So the symbolic interpretation of this character, please look at. I interpret this character, the meaning of all things and human beings. Human beings and all things, just one stroke, from up to down, made on the earth through penetration or connection between the sky and the earth by the divination of the heavenly God. God. Do you remember the hidden meanings of this character? The dot, zu. So you may wish to learn this character through shape. In this case, a pole stands up, taking left and right balance like penetrating something on the ground. Okay? So the dictionary meaning of this character remaining in the dictionaries in Korea and in China, a pole, to penetrate, to connect, to erect, to combine, and to rule. You need to remember this dictionary meaning, but also, hold on please. The hidden meaning. Hidden meaning is very important for the further learning and study for the complicated Chinese characters and Korean Hanja. The hidden meanings are a thing or things, man. Man is a stem on the world, on earth, and make, to create. Also, Son of Man, Jesus Christ, because Jesus Christ came down to the earth as a man. Man. So please try to remember these hidden meanings as well. A thing or things, man, stem, make, create, Jesus Christ. So another thing you need to look at this character, there is a stroke change in many characters. For example, woman, 니, private, 스. In these characters, the stroke, the shape of the stroke is changing. For example, this is man, and this stroke is also a man. For example, God made Adam's fall asleep. This is Adam. and he took out a rib from his body, and created woman. Okay, so this shape is also the same meaning with this stroke of this character. And this character, this part of this character is also came from this character, meaning man. Yeah. And this character to serve, yes, this part also have the same meaning of this character with this character. Okay. And the next issue, why this character penetrate, connect, guan, specifically should have tone number 3. This is for the people who are learning Chinese characters. That is why it is the meaning of connecting up and down and left and right between sky and earth. So tone number 3, you can remember in this way. And in addition, a pole, we should set it up, taking left and right and up and down balance. So tone number 3. You can find through this Chinese pinyin table, tone number principle table, having left and right and up and down, taking balance and harmony, and down and up and down. All the elements of the tone number values. Okay, what do you think about this type of lectures? I guess you have never have listened this type of analysis or interpretation. So please remind yourself of the importance of the hidden meanings. Okay. Also, you need to learn foreign language through words, through sentence. So I have put some Bible verses for you. Created as a hidden meaning here. Create. Okay, thank you for your listening to the end, and see you next time.